So in this location, we have the washer dryer is out here in the carport.
Okay. And I've noticed that it's got a keypad lock on it.
I love the colors.
It's got a nice backyard.
Huge backyard.
They tell people where to do that.
Here's the laundry room.
Here's our kitchen.
Oh, this is nice.
Yeah.
And like you said, you got two
Two
refrigerators.
refrigerators. We find with anything more than 5 people, you know, it gives them enough ample space.
Okay.
You know, for their items. This is one of the entry rooms, actually.
Oh, and you got each room numbered. That's nice. So it feels like their own little apartment. Oh, this is nice.
Yeah, this is one of the smaller rooms. We put a desk in here, and we put a little dresser in here.
This is nice. And we have, this is nice though. You got a nice bed.
It's a
So,
full-size bed.
yeah, you just provide the sheets. They can do their own comforter. Full desk and chair. You got your blinds up. Yeah, I don't see a closet though, an actual closet, but that's where this
So
is.
either you have a closet or a dresser, and this one we have, and sometimes if the room is big enough, we do both. But for this, we just have the drawers, chest of drawers. So it's a little bit of a smaller room.
It's nice though. Someone can just move in and just.
And it's easy. It takes the stress if they don't have to worry about utilities. They don't have to worry about internet. You know, we provide everything. Laundry's on site. Not all PadSplits have laundry, but we find that just, you know, having the laundry on site helps.
Pretty easy to ever.
Then we have bathrooms back here.
And the bathrooms out there, yeah.
This is one or two bathrooms.
This is 2 bathrooms.
Yeah.
Actually, this bathroom number 1, but actually there was a door here, so this was part of the master.
Oh, okay.
So what we did
Close
is
that
close
off.
this off,
Yeah.
and we created a door over here. You can do a walk-in shower instead of itself. So it's just actually
It's easier for people.
Yeah, and if it needs to be converted back, we can do that pretty simple. It's just a matter of putting a new door in. So we always do the vent and the light at the same time, so it keeps the moisture out of the room.
Bathroom 2. Yep, little tub.